In a world where traders are constantly on the lookout for that magical edge, TradingView's PineScript has become the go-to platform for creating custom indicators and strategies. But with an overwhelming number of free indicators available, it can be daunting to choose the best ones for your trading. Today, we're going to cut through the noise and explore the top-performing TradingView indicators that you can use for free, along with specific parameters and entry/exit rules to get you started. First up, we have the popular Ichimoku Cloud indicator. This indicator provides a comprehensive view of a stock's price action by plotting 5 different lines: the Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen, Senko-span A, Senko-span B, and the Chikou-span. By adjusting the parameters, you can fine-tune this indicator to suit your trading style. Here's a sample configuration. Tenkan-sen equals 9, Kijun-sen equals 26, Senko-span A equals 26, Senko-span B equals 52, Chikou-span equals 26.